Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We help people live a better life.
In today's life, we see a lot of people questioning and doubting their self worth, and as a result, they end up sabotaging themselves.
That's why today we'll be sharing the main causes of self doubt and how to overcome it.
So, without further ado, let's begin. Most of the people start doubting themselves because of their fear of other people's judgment. Before even starting to do what we want, the first thought that comes into our mind is, what if other people judge me? This thought creates doubt in ourselves and we stop taking action. The only thing that is stopping you to get success is fear of what other people will think of you. But you need to understand that no matter what you do, there will always be somebody judging you, and it's always gonna be the case. Y.T. Bennett once said, "The outer wall is a reflection of the inner wall. Other people's perception of you is a reflection of them. Your response to them is an awareness of you." That's why whoever is judging, their judgment is because of their own perception and understanding of it. It's their problem, not yours. So you do not need to doubt yourself and question your worth by taking their judgment personally. Have confidence in yourself and do what you love to do.
The next reason of having self doubt is seeking validation from outside. Unconsciously, seeking validation from outside has become our habit since our upbringing. It shows that you are not believing yourself and questioning your worth, which are signs of self doubt. Like we mostly want to get validation for our beauty or our happiness from outside instead of validating ourselves. We want someone to comment on our beauty, we want others to make us happy, and if we do not get it, we'll start feeling like we are worthless. But you should not let other people control you. As long as you are seeking validation from outside, you will always suffer. That's why, instead of it, try to validate yourself and tell yourself that you are worthy, you are enough. That's the way you can get rid of self-doubt.
Sometimes, if we are different from most of the average people, like the way we do things are very different from them, we start gaining self doubt and think we cannot fit in the society. But it's your uniqueness. Appreciate it. Just be yourself because you're the best in your own way. There's no need to doubt about your uniqueness.
The other reason of why you are having self-doubt is failure or rejection. We all have faced failure and rejection at least once in our life. In most of the cases, people used to doubt themselves and think they cannot achieve their goals just by failing once. Imagine, only because of their fear of failing or rejection, they don't even think to try again to achieve their dreams. You will be miles away from success if you are afraid of failure and do nothing to improve yourself regarding that. And far in the future, we end up regretting ourselves. So instead of fearing from failure, just remind yourself that failure is not bad, it grows you.
If you look at any successful person, you will find that they have definitely experienced failure. But they take lesson from that and never give up because they know that failure is the step to success. Thomas Alva Edison has got success only after facing too many failures and attempts. Always understand that failure is one of the formulas for success. So, stop doubting yourself whenever you are facing failure or rejections. Just learn from it and try to give your best.
A brief summary of how to overcome self-doubt. First, do not care about what other people think or say about you. The only thing that matters is what you think and feel about yourselves. Second, stop seeking outside for validation. Start validating from inside. Third, it's okay to be different from most of the average people. Acknowledge your uniqueness. And the fourth is, do not afraid of failures. It is a part of success. You can never fail until you give up. If you're having self-doubt in your life, please give it a try to these steps. I'm sure you will be able to overcome it.
That's it for now, friends. I hope you all enjoy our video. If you got anything out of it, please give it a big thumbs up Comment down your thought. Also remember to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we upload our new video.
See you all in the next one.
Thanks for watching.